to another vlog, and I am home alone once again. And today is a Wednesday. I go back to work tomorrow about time because I do not work Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday anymore, probably for the rest of the winter, and I might pick up some other day, like when it gets nice again. And I have been sitting on my butt for the past probably like half hour now, doing maybe 45 minutes, making like musicallys and just chilling with my dogs. And now I'm gonna work a little bit on this statistics project for my statistics class. And okay, you gotta grab your pants. This is my new Chromebook. It says Samsung. This is Chrome. I'll open it. I just like touch the screen. That's what it looks like. My icon right there. This is the pen tool. That's Google Play, YouTube, Google Docs, my email thing, Google Chrome. I don't know what that is. Oh, this is the Google Play Store. You got the makeup off your nose?
Yeah.
You should wear it this one?
No, I don't.
I'll still wear it.
A little bit.
I'm like really zooming on your face.
I can see myself in the mirror.
Hey guys, I just got home from school a little bit ago. Like I literally pretty much just walked through the door, and it's like I think one of Katie's last few days at cross country. And if you guys want to see all of my senior pictures, the link will be down in the description to go see my little slideshow thing on Lydia's Only of all my senior pictures that I'm going to be working on here in a little bit. So if you guys enjoyed this scattered vlog, please give me and Katie a big thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you in the next vlog. That's probably going to come out soon because Katie and I have no school Thursday and Friday next week, and I might be going to visit a college soon, so I might bring the camera along to that.